Okay, so here is today's sharpening skills helper. On the multiplication one, fill in your numbers on the top and the side and multiply. Pause the video so that you can get that done. When you are done, let's go back and count the decimal places. 9 and 1500ths has 2 decimal places. And then the next number has 1 decimal place. That is a total of 3 decimal places. So we need to go to our answer, which my pen has disappeared. Okay, and we'd need to underline 1, 2, 3 places, and then put the decimal, and I apologize about that dot right there. Okay, now going to the next problem, fill in your 2's, solve the division, pause the video. When you're done, all you have to do is pop the decimal straight up. So you will have 2 digits on the left and you will have 2 digits on the right, and the decimal is going to end up right in the middle. Now pause the video as you need to solve the next problem. We're going to connect our brackets and our parentheses to make some rainbows. Okay, now when we do that, you can see that I have 2 inside parentheses. So I would do on the one on the left, then the one on the right. Now before I go outside, I see one more symbol. I see a division symbol, so it needs a number. That would be step 3 on the outside. That 27 has no sign, so it's times, and that would be step 4. So going through, you need to carefully line up on the first step, and you're going to subtract. And when you're done, you will get a decimal 0. Remember, we get rid of zeros on the end, and if we get rid of all of the zeros, we don't even need the decimal. So the decimal and the 0 will be gone on this. Going to step 2, you're going to need to multiply. So you're going to multiply by that 5. You will get on this one a 0 as well, right there, and you will have 1 decimal place. So you can get rid of that decimal and 0 when you're done as well. So these 2 answers will be whole numbers. Now step 3, you're going to take those 2 answers and divide. That will give you a single digit number. And then finally, step 4, you need to do 27 times whatever answer you got when you divided. Now going on to the next one, we need to line all of those decimals up. Now the first one is 6 2/10. The 23 doesn't have a decimal. Put the decimal at the end. Put the decimal at the end. So meaning if the decimal goes here, the 23 has to go to the left of it. Notice there's nothing to the right now. Now the 9 and 7900ths, the 9 goes to the left of the decimal, 79 goes to the right. So you'll notice I have some empty spots. I'm going to fill those up with zeros so that it will line up. And now I'm going to add up these numbers.